In this video, we're going to look at how to insert a row in Excel, and I'll provide you with 3 ways that you can insert a new blank row in Excel. We're going to be using this table here that lists fruit and vegetables, its quantity, and its unit price. Now what we're going to want to do here is to insert a new blank row in row 5, just under lemon. So with the first method, go to the vertical bar on the left and right click on the row number where we want to insert a new row in. In this example, we want to insert a new row in row 5, so we'll right click on that and then click insert. And that's it, we've inserted a new blank row. Let's populate this with some values and let's write apple here. Let's give it a quantity of 400 and let's give it a unit price of $3. With the second method, right click on any cell in the row that we want to insert a new row in. So in this example, we'll right click in cell A5, given we want to insert a new row in row 5, and then click on insert. This will display a insert dialog box. And from this list of options, select entire row and click the OK button. Great, we've now inserted another blank row. Let's go ahead and populate this with some values. Let's write corn. Let's give it a quantity of 500 and let's give it a unit price of 2. With the third and the final method, select any cell in the row where we want to insert a new row in. So let's just select A5, given that we want to insert a new blank row in row 5. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Insert option. This will display a number of options, and from this list, click on Insert Sheet Rows. Great, we've inserted another blank row. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.